That's crazy. And you even brought up Buju because I forgot that you guys had done the song together, the Red Rat and Buju B. How
Yeah,
did it feel like? Because remember, you said to me when you first started to record, you wanted that big, heavy Buju voice. How
yeah.
did it feel like going from a fan to Buju to now being a co-worker where we're actually recording a song together?
Man, bro, like the year before that, not no, it wasn't it was in '94 when in Boss '93.
Mhm,
He was performing for Labor Day. Was it Labor Day or Independence Day at the Jamaica House?
mhm.
And we got the opportunity because I used to be in a group called Wild Babies. And we got the opportunity to dance for Buju.
Okay.
And we was rehearsing the whole time and at the end they switched us from dancing for Buju to dancing for Tony Rebel. So I
Mm,
didn't get a chance for dance for Buju, and I was like, yo, that was an opportunity in my mind that I missed.
yeah.
And when all those songs came out in '96, Buju is the one that actually tell Jeremy and to call Danny Brownie because he wanted to do a song with me for his album because I was the hottest artist at the time in the world,
Yeah.
you know. And I was dumbfounded because Buju was a mentor and still I'm still somebody we will look up to as an artist. And when we drive go down there, I was scared. I was shaking because you're gonna meet somebody where you look up to for years. And because Mr. Mention actually was one of them albums that I used to use. I used to use that album to practice.
Okay.
So I mean, I know all of them lyrics, every song. I tell you, all of the flows, all the drop and the A and the everything. We know everything. So when I walk in, it was me and him alone in the studio with the engineer, and I
Mhm.
was so starstruck that I would say 80-90% of the song was written by Buju because my brain just wasn't working at the night.
Yeah.
But the vibe was so nice, and him Buju because he wanted me to use a big voice. Actually, Buju was like, "Yo, don't make them stuck, the big, the little picnic thing, just
Yeah.
change your voice on the record, the Red Rat." And me, I said, "Boy, DJ, I mean, no."
Yeah.
And him get voted out. Everybody was like, "Nah, man, him style hot, so make him keep using him style." And the greatest thing about that recording though is this never happened to me before and never happened to me afterwards.
Okay.
So after we finish writing the song and we're about to record the song now, I was like, all right, make him go first and then me go afterwards. And Buju was like, no. So they set up 2 microphones in the recording booth and we were recording the song at the same time.
Okay. No. Generally, with vocals, you wouldn't get 2 vocals at the same. You get the band would pay everything, so you'd have 7 mics and all those stuff there. But
Yeah.
singing vocals, you have the backup and the
We
main.
was recording that at the same time, bro, and that never happened to me afterwards or before that. And I always remember that because it was just a moment in my career that you can't say, boy, you did it.
Yeah.
You did it. The great Buju Banton, and I'm doing something with somebody that I look up to as a little youth. You know what I mean?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.